Hello and welcome to this episode of the Nothing Ventured Primer. I am really excited to have with me Brett Martin. Brett is an entrepreneur, angel investor, co-founder of Cuomo Space and managing partner at Charge Ventures, and is helping nurture the next generation of founders as adjunct professor at Columbia Business School. Brett, it's really great to have you here with me today.
Aarish, absolute pleasure. Thank you for having me. Excited to be here.
Amazing. So let's talk about your background and Charge Ventures. So why don't we start with your background?
I've been other than a brief stint at an investment bank right out of college, I've been either building or investing in early stage technology companies out of New York City for my entire career. I've founded 3 companies. I've worked at 3 venture firms. And I just can't get enough of that early stage risk.
Amazing. So let's talk about Charge Ventures as an example. So what stage do you invest at? What sectors, what geographies, and what sort of check size?
Yeah, so Charge Ventures, it's premium pre-seed venture capital based out of New York. We like to say that the earliest investments you get are from friends, family, fools, and Charge Ventures. We do anywhere from 500 to 750K checks into companies just getting off the ground, usually 750 to $2 million rounds. That's what we call pre-seed in New York City. So usually it's somewhere anywhere from like a 3, 4 to maybe maxing out around $10 million pre-money valuation. And, we really have a focus on, we've done a lot of great creator economy investments. We do a lot of dev tools, machine learning, analytics investments, and we do a lot of healthcare. So we've done a lot of B2B healthcare software investments. And finally, we have a pretty strong crypto practice, probably invested in close to 10 crypto companies in the past year.
That's incredible. So if you were to think of 3 companies that you're super excited about right now, what would those 3 be?
Out of our portfolio?
Out of your portfolio or elsewhere, yeah.
We don't have favorites. We love them all, but just some, I think, representative investments is we've invested in Grin.co. That's the leader in influencer marketing. We did the pre-seed investment in Electric AI. They provide IT support to SMBs over the internet. We've also invested in Bison Trails. One of the big infrastructure providers in crypto space, sold to Coinbase for over $1 billion. Those are some representative investments, but we made some great new investments. We just invested in a company called Rella. It's basically a business in a box, back office software for creators. Just did that, fresh pre-seed. Think the founder, Natalie, is amazing. So it's not just about the biggest companies. We're excited about the small ones too.
Incredible. And if there was sort of one sector, one theme that you're really excited about over the next sort of 3, 5, 10 years, what would that be? You're allowed to say generative AI.
I teach machine learning at Columbia Business School, so I've been interested in AI for the past 6, 7 years. But I think B2B software in the U.S. is going to be just a massive market. I think that we've invested in a lot of D2C healthcare companies, and so there's just like a new ecosystem of venture-backed healthcare companies in the U.S. And now they all want better tooling. They want better infrastructure. They want better APIs. And so I think there's finally an opportunity to invest in B2B software, healthcare software, and there's a market for it. You don't have to sell into, they don't want your father's EHR, electronic health records anymore. So that's a space we're really excited about. We think AI is going to intersect really interestingly with that and automate a lot of hitherto manual processes. And by the way, super bullish on crypto still. So, now that all the fair weather folks are getting out of the market, I think it's time to make money, and we'll be laughing about it on the next up cycle.
I am sure you will be. Well, Brett, thank you very much. Can't wait to get into the detail with you in the main podcast.
Yep. Thanks so much. Excited. Let's go.